On the agentic platform, agents can use a GLPI knowledge base external integration to access and retrieve articles and FAQs from your GLPI knowledge base to respond to user queries. As such, you will learn in this tutorial how to create a GLPI knowledge base external integration. Before creating the integration, you must ensure that you have created credentials allowing you to access the content of your GLPI instance by going to Administration Credentials. These credentials must be GLPI Service Account credentials. To learn how to create them, refer to the relevant documentation page. Once your GLPI credentials are ready, go to Data Sources, External Integrations. Click on Add External Integration, then click on GLPI Knowledge Base. Now, you can configure the external integration to fit your use case. Start by giving a name to the integration. Then, you need to select one of the available pipelines. The GLPI articles pipeline will retrieve the articles from your GLPI knowledge base without the attachments. The GLPI articles with attachments pipeline will retrieve the articles and their attachments from your GLPI knowledge base. Here, we will select the first one, but you can choose the other one if you wish to process the article attachments. Select the credentials to use for this external integration. Next, provide a short description of the integration. Next, select the main language of the GLPI articles. Optionally, you can choose to retrieve only the FAQ articles by enabling the Only FAQ Articles switch. Note that the following two parameters are only relevant if you selected the GLPI articles with attachments pipeline. If this is the case, you can select the method by which text will be extracted from the PDF attachments. Additionally, you can select the method by which content will be extracted from the image attachments. For more details about the PDF text extraction strategy and the image content extraction strategy, please read the GLPI knowledge base documentation page. Finally, click on Add External Integration to finalize the creation. Once the creation is confirmed, click back to External Integrations list to return to the list of external integrations. The GLPI knowledge base integration is now available in the list with the indexing pending status. You will need to wait until the status indicates ready before adding the integration to an agent. Please note that this can take several minutes depending on the size of the content. Want to learn more about the agentic platform?